I am Aaron Salas and I have been selected for the second group, which is the Duty Framework. The Duty Framework is a model designed to evaluate and direct the ethical responsibilities of individuals or organizations in different situations. It usually employs a structured method to comprehend and meet duties, ensuring that decision and action adhere to ethical principles and obligations. Its importance comes from its capacity to offer a systematic approach for tackling ethical challenges by explicitly outlining duties and responsibilities. It assists individuals and organizations in making well-informed decisions that align with moral values and societal norms. The duty framework in ethicals consists of principles that guide behavior, with deontology and the duty of care being two key examples. Deontological ethics application focuses on following moral rules such as honesty and respect for others' rights. Conflicts. Issues arise when adhering to one duty, like truthfulness, may conflict with others such as compassion. 2. Duty of care in professions. Applications requires professionals to prioritize the well-being of clients of students. Conflict. Dilemmas can occur, such as balancing confidentiality with the need to report harm. The main challenge in both frameworks is resolving conflict between competing duties and deciding which should take precedence. The duty framework linked with deontological ethics emphasizes following moral duties and principles over focusing on the outcomes of actions. Here's how to make an ethical decision using this approach. Determine the moral duty. Identify the relevant principle of duty for the situation, such as honesty, respect, or fairness. Assess the situation. Examine the details and context of the decision at hand. Apply the duty. Make a choice that aligns with the identified duty, regardless for the possible consequences. For instance, if the duty is to be honest, choose the option that maintains honesty, even if it results in negative outcomes. Ensure consistency. Verify that our decision reflects how you would want others to act in similar situations, adhering to universal principles. For example, if you find that your company is involved in unethical practices, the duty framework will advise you to report it based on the duty to uphold honesty and integrity despite any personal or professional risk. The duty framework, also known as deontological ethics, emphasizes the importance of adhering to moral duties and principles rather than focusing solely on the consequence of actions. When assessing whether a decision is ethical sound, Other this framework. Duty to uphold principles. Respect for person. Consistency with moral laws. Under the duty framework, a decision is ethical sound if adheres to moral duties, respect other rights, and align with principles that could be universally applied.